Welcome to the land of fire and ice, the mystical realm of Iceland, a place where the northern lights dance across the sky, geysers erupt with a furious energy, and the landscapes tell tales of ancient Viking lore. Starting our journey on number 10, we have the captivating Skogafoss. This waterfall is located on the Skoga River in the south of Iceland. Skogafoss is famous for its sheer drop of 60 meters and the constant mist that creates rainbows on sunny days. Visitors can hike up to the viewing platform, camp nearby, or even trek along the river to discover more waterfalls. Next, at number 9, lies the mesmerizing Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Nestled between Skaftafell and Höfen, this lagoon is renowned for its stunning floating icebergs. Boat tours offer a unique perspective of these icy giants, while the nearby Diamond Beach is a treasure trove of glistening ice chunks washed ashore. Moving on to number 8, we find the iconic Geyser geothermal area. Located in the southwest, it's home to the now dormant Great Geyser, the namesake of all geysers worldwide. Even though the Great Geyser is asleep, Strokkur, its neighbor, erupts every 5 to 10 minutes, offering a spectacular show. At number 7, we have the vibrant capital city Reykjavik. Known for its colorful houses, avant-garde architecture, and buzzing nightlife, Reykjavik is a cultural hub. Visitors can explore museums, dine in world-class restaurants, and take a dip in the city's geothermal pools. Scene script, number 6 takes us to the serene Blue Lagoon. Situated in a lava field in Grindavik, the Blue Lagoon is famous for its milky blue geothermal waters rich in minerals and known for their healing properties. Visitors can soak in the warm waters, indulge in a silica mud mask, or dine in the lava restaurant overlooking the lagoon. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the imposing Hallgrímskirkja. This church in Reykjavik is renowned for its striking modernist design inspired by Iceland's natural landscapes. Visitors can ascend the tower for panoramic views of the city. On number 4, we have the dramatic Gullfoss waterfall. Part of the Golden Circle route, Gullfoss is famous for its powerful two-tiered cascade. The viewing platform offers a breathtaking perspective of the waterfall's raw power. Our third spot goes to the stunning Vatnajökull National Park. Covering an impressive 14% of Iceland, it's home to the largest glacier in Europe, Vatnajökull. Here, visitors can hike, ice climb, explore ice caves, or simply marvel at the diverse landscapes. Coming in at number 2 is the Thingvellir National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site holds cultural, historical, and geological significance. It's the site of the world's first parliament and a place where two tectonic plates meet. Snorkeling and diving in the Silfra fissure is a must-do activity here. And finally, the top spot, number 1, goes to the awe-inspiring Northern Lights. This natural spectacle of dancing lights in the sky is the highlight of any trip to Iceland. The best viewing locations vary depending on weather conditions, but the experience is nothing short of magical. So there you have it, the top 10 attractions of Iceland: Skogafoss, Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, Geyser Geothermal Area, Reykjavik, Blue Lagoon, Hallgrímskirkja, Gullfoss, Vatnajökull National Park, Thingvellir National Park, and the Northern Lights. Each offering its unique spectacle and experience, each an adventure waiting to be embarked upon. Before we part ways, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it interesting, and subscribe to our channel for more such mesmerizing journeys. Until next time, keep exploring.